Hey, good morning, Phil Sensible Products. Almost the end of July. We're looking at a beautiful Pierce Enforcer. This is for the city of Youngstown Fire, sold by Chris Nason and Atlantic Emergency. We did a ladder for them a few years ago. It was a mid-mount. Really came out nice, so they came back and we're doing the two pumpers. We got this pumper, we got another one we'll start on today. So they kind of pretty much knew exactly what they wanted. We'll get a quick picture inside here. So we got, there's actually a rear dash tray that shows some tools in the back. And then there's a really unique front dash tray that's got glove holders and place for books and cup holder and all that in there. Okay, moving down the side, we got a welded poly floor divider, a couple 1.5 inch, 1 3/4 extra lines, cooler, hose clamps, a few fittings on the wall, gave new storage wrenchers and a hydrant wrench combo set. Then a swing out, first line of defense on the front here. So they got a pick head, TNT Halligan. Then on the back, some other tools and a lot of space left for future. In here they got oil dry. That area there on the slide out's kind of open. We added a shelf, so they got 2 high-rise kits per shelf. So you got 2 here, 2 there. Standpipe kit actually was going to get scrunched over and sit right in there. On the rear, we made them a little cup for their nozzle. Mounted a hydrant wrench there for them. This engine will have extrication that you see here. Genesis tools on our tray, cutter, spreader, ram, accessory box. Keep this low, best utilization of space. It's only about 15 to 18 inches. Added a shelf there right above for cribbing and step chalks, and then battery tools up on the wall here. And of course the charger's all wired in. Another swing out here, some forcible entry on the front, and then some secondary stuff on the back. Got some brooms, shovels, lockout kit for a car, water key, pinch bar, just a variety of secondary tools that they'll need, but it's kind of back here hidden out of the way. Then up front here, lower area is a pack out toolbox. Got space on left to right. Of course, you know how the pack out works. These are great for truck use. Good drawers so they can put small hand tools in there, some other battery tools, and then the extinguishers on the shelf here. And then the only other thing in the cab, we added coat hooks, but we showed you the rear doghouse box. So yeah, this was a good job for Youngstown. Be the second and third truck. You can see the other engine is just pulled in there today. So we'll get started on that. But yeah, this was a good job. Once again, sold by Chris Nason. Thank you. And Atlantic Emergency did a great job. Beautiful truck. So we'll see you the next time.